Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove friends in Clash Royale or how to remove a friend in Clash Royale. First, you need to head inside your game and then log in. After logging in inside the game, you will see this battle interface. Now, I want you to focus on the friends icon in the top right corner of the screen where you can see this icon. After clicking this icon, you will see all the social friends that you have and also the inbox here where the messages are stored. Now I want you to select a friend that you want to be removed. As you can see, after selecting or tapping into a friend, it will show these three buttons such as view profile, friendly battle, and remove friend. So in order for you to remove a friend, you just need to tap into remove and then confirm it by clicking OK or cancel it. But for this video, we are removing a friend. So by tapping in OK, you just remove a friend. And that's how to remove friends in Clash Royale, and thank you for listening.